Hi, hello to everyone. This is Dr. Satheesh Kumar, working as an associate professor in the Department of Information Technology at the Institute of Aeronautical Engineering, Hyderabad. So, in this section, just I'm going to tell about the problem reduction. Okay, in the previous section, just we have seen the various algorithm under the informed research. Okay, so in the same topic, the problem solving in artificial intelligence. Okay, so what is the problem reduction? How it will be used, the problem reduction concepts in your artificial intelligence to solve some particular problems. Okay, so how the all the algorithms are going to be happen, are going to be applied in a particular problem based on this problem reductions, that and all this we are going to see in this video. So let us start. So in this session, just I'm going to tell about what is the problem reduction exactly, and what decomposition they have used in the problem reduction. While I'm giving the concept and definition itself, just I will give the decomposition concepts. Okay, finally just we will see the problem reduction with one suitable example. Let us start. So the first is a definition. So what is exactly the problem reduction is going to be tell in artificial intelligence? Okay, so the problem reduction is an algorithm design technique. Okay, so this one, just we are going to design an algorithm. Okay, so design algorithm means just we are going to choose some algorithm based on your problems. Okay, so based on this problem, just we are going to decide, or we are going to design some particular algorithm to solve a problem in artificial intelligence machines. So this is a problem reduction is an algorithm technique in artificial intelligence and computer science that refer to the process of breaking down. Okay, so this one is important. Okay, the process of breaking down a complex problem. Okay, so one complete problem, just we are going to divide it into a number of sub problems. Okay, and each and every problems just we are going to solve. Then finally again just we are going to plug into the solution in all the sub problem solutions. Okay, so like this just we are going to divide the all the complex problems. So that will see the process of breaking down a complex problem into smaller, more manageable in the sub problems. Okay, so for example, just we have here one problem. Okay, okay, so the A is here one complex problem. So that should be we are going to divide into sub problem one, sub problem two, up to sub problem n. So how many division, how many small pieces you need the main problem, just we are going to break down. Okay, so that one is here the problem reduction. The time complexity will be reduced if you are using the problem reduction concepts in your artificial intelligence machines. All right. So what is the main concept? Is a process of break down the your complex problem into smaller pieces of sub problems. Okay. So here this each every one just we have some solution, right? Up to n we have one solution. Solution one, solution two, solution n. So again just we are going to put in the one block. Okay, so combine all the solution into the one block, then we will use that solution into some various problem solving. Okay, so this is the concept of the problem reduction in artificial intelligence. Right? Probably just we have seen in the data structure or DOS subjects, design and algorithm subjects, divide and conquer method, right? Divide and conquer method, greedy method, some dynamic programming methods. So all the programming, all the concepts, all the techniques, just we are going to divide it into a number of sub problems from the main problems. Then we will solve all the problems. Then we then get together. This will correct all the sub problem solutions. Just we will finally we will decide one solution for the give the solution for the main problem. So it is simply called as some optimal solution, the optimal algorithm, optimal concepts of the particular problem. Okay, so this way just we are going to listen some concepts using some problem reduction concept to solve a problem. So This approach aims to simplify the problem solving process by decomposing a challenging task. Okay, so here what is a decomposition? This decomposition means just we are going to divide in the sub problems, right? That only is here decomposed. Right. So for example, for just giving one a best example, just a video editing. Okay, so or a video maker. Okay, just if you are shooting the video, okay, then based on that video, just you are going to insert audio, images, some music inserting, okay, or music editor. So yeah, just everything is we are going to do on the particular video, and we will make an effective video. Okay, that is a that also is called as a decomposing a particular task. Okay, then each sub problems are typically easier to solve than the original problem. Okay, that's from we will get that all the sub problem from your main problem, right? So here the easy when the easy just we are going to solve each and sub problems. Simply just we are going to solve a sub problems. Okay, that was the original problem, and their solution can be combined or aggregated to obtain the solution to the overall problems. Okay, so previously just I given the clarity about that how we are going to divide into main problem into sub problems, how we are going to solve the sub problems, and again you are going to combine or some aggregated. Okay, all the solutions to the main solution. Okay, this approach is often used in AI problem solving. This concept will be accomplished with problem solving technique in AI. Okay, so like the searching algorithm and export system. Okay, so we have just a problem solving. You have two techniques in AI, right? Searching technique and problem solving technique. Okay, so this is only a main concept of the problem reduction in artificial intelligence. Okay, so exactly just I'm going one more example I'm going to give. Okay, in your class, n number of students are there. Okay, so you have here six subjects. Six subjects. Okay, each subject you are giving one assignment. Okay, so each subject we are going to give the assignments to everyone. Okay, so for person one having a six assignment, person two six assignment, up to person n is six assignments are there. Here in between the students they are going to segregate. Okay, so this subject I'm going to tell, going to solve this subject I'm going to write the assignment. So person 1 2 3 4 5 6, okay, up to 6% they are going to solve write the assignment. Then entire classes are going to be share and copy the that solved assignment. Okay, so this is a decomposition. This is a concept of division. Okay, right? This is a breakdown. Okay, the breakdown the all the modules, right? So this is a concept of the problem reduction in artificial intelligence. Okay, so the next one is, this one is a simple example for decomposition. Okay, so this one is a simple the diagram to explain decomposition, right? So here the complex problem, just based on this definition only, just given this diagram, just easily you can understood what is this diagram. Okay, so first one is here the complex problem. So that complex problem, what is the concept of the problem reduction, the process of breakdown into smaller sub programs. Okay, so here just I'm going to divide it into a number of sub programs. Okay, sub complex problem 1, sub complex problem 2, some complex problem 3. So just complex problem is going to be divided into 3 parts. Okay, it's going to be breakdown into 3 parts. So again, if you want to break down this complex problem 1, just you can do it. Problems 2 also just you can do it. Okay, so like this, the problem 3 are going to be subdivided into 2 parts. Okay, complex problem A, the complex problem B. Okay, so like this, just we are going to break down the complex problem or otherwise the complete problem. Okay, entire problem just we are going to divide into a number of pieces. Okay, so like this, just we are going to do the problem reduction. So that is this concept is called as a decomposition, right? So here, so some complex problem is there. Okay, so this one is a complex problem that going to be divided into some two sub problems. Okay, so again that problem is going to be plugged into again that problem is going to be plugged into a one solution. Okay, so this one is a decomposition, right? Clear, right? Okay. So next we will move to the why the problem reduction is important in AI. Okay, so for the purpose, just already we have several algorithms like to problem solving or searching techniques, various searching technique also just we are going to use to solve a problem in artificial intelligence. So instant of the problem solving and searching techniques, just why we are going to use this problem reduction in AI. Okay, so what the purpose? Okay, so if you are using this problem reduction, so what will happen in artificial intelligence? Okay, how it will be solved, how it will be try to find a suitable solution or optimal solution for the given problem. So that will be explained in this slides. Okay, so the first one is complexity management. Okay. Okay, so this one is very important for the complexity management. Just if you have any one certain problems or programs that going to be manageable, okay, that going to be properly, so you are going to manage to solve in a certain things. Okay, so that was the complexity, the management. The problem reduction is crucial in AI because many real world problems are inherently complex and challenging to solve directly. Okay, so everyone knows that nowadays we are going to use all the fields, all the areas, just we are going to use artificial intelligence. Okay, so various real time application also they are applicable to solve a real time application. For example, the bus booking or traveling, tracking, traffic signals. Okay, road safety system, hospital, banking sector, so etc. etc. Just wherever you go, just you are going to use the artificial intelligence concepts to solve a real time problems, right? So it is here. Okay, so if you have some problems, just for that problem, just we are going to try to find a suitable solution for this. This time, just we are going to use the some breaking into a number of modules. Okay, just we have one problem that we are going to divide it into five or six modules. Each and every modules, just we are going to try the test. Okay, so after the test, just what are the solution is there? Just finally, just we are going to combine all the solution of each and every modules. Okay, like this, the complexity management is very important in artificial intelligence if you are using the problem reduction, right? So the second one is efficient search and planning. Okay, so in the word itself, the meaning is there efficient search and planning. Okay, so already we have seen so many searchy concepts in artificial intelligence. Okay, the here the additional word is planning. So planning is nothing but just we are going to solve some particular problem. For that, just we are going to make a plan. Okay, for example, just we have some problem that we are going to divide it into a number of problems. That each problems we are going to find the solution. Finally, all the problems we are going to put in the some block. Okay, so like this, just we are going to use the that ABC and search and planning. In A, search algorithm and the planning process are fundamental. Okay, so problem reduction simplify this task by reducing the search space. Okay, because already we said we are having some reduction concepts. Okay, breakdown concepts or decomposition concepts for applying in the particular problem. So making it more efficient to find the solution or optimal path. Okay, so what I said just exactly there in the slides. Okay, the next one is a resource optimization. Okay, so optimization is the best solution. Okay, that great solution that we are going to produce for the given problem. Okay, so here resource optimization. For that, just we are going to produce the enough resource to solve a particular problems. Okay, for artificial intelligence machines, the artificial intelligence machine alone is not enough to solve a particular problem. Okay, for that enough resources just we are going to provide. So based on these resources, based on that environment, the AI machine will act and to solve the critical or complex problems. Okay, so this system often have limited computational resources. Problem reduction helps to allocate the resource more effectively. Okay, here the problem reduction will be help to that artificial intelligence to enough resource collecting the enough resources to solve a problem very effectively, right? So that one is a resource optimization. The next one is knowledge representation. Okay, so already we know, everyone knows that what is a knowledge representation, and that how we are going to tell that expert is system and knowledge based AI going to be act and solve some problem. Okay, based on the various searching technique or based on the problem solving and the techniques. Okay, so here the expert system and knowledge representation, knowledge based the AI application benefit from the problem reduction. Here also the problem reduction is going to be part of the solving a problem in expert system or knowledge based AI system. Okay, so here this important concept is the decision making. Okay, the complex decision making. Okay, here decision making means just how we are going to divide, how we are going to break down the complex problem into sub problems. Okay, so for that, just here we need to some decision maker, right? So here that also the problem reductions will help to solve or break down the all the complex problem into sub problems. Okay, the next one is a heuristic based approaches. So what is a heuristic? To solve a problem very effectively. Okay, that is a heuristic. Just we are going to find some optimal solution for the given problem. Okay, we have already seen this various heuristic functions, heuristic systems, heuristic approaches. We have seen in this also, just the problem reduction is going to be offered to solve a given problem. Okay, so here they will use for a conjunction and with the heuristic AI algorithm finding the solution by reducing the problem complexity. Heuristic can be more accurately applied. Okay, leading to more informed decisions. Okay, so this way that the problem reduction is going to be help to artificial intelligence machine to solve a problem. Okay, the next one is a real world application. Okay, already I said the previously the slide I said the various real world applications we are going to be happening using in AI machines. Okay, so the practical AI application, the problem reduction is employed across various domains. So, for example, just if you are going traveling in on the any way, there is a signal pot is there. So in that signal pot, left and right and front are so many roads are there. Okay, so based on the left side they given sometimes, right side roads they given for sometimes, then opposite side of the road they will give some at times. Okay, the particular period just we have to wait and until the other way they given the permission to move. Okay, so in this also the real world applications are going to be happen using the artificial intelligence machines with this problem reduction. Okay, so here they will give some across various domains such as robotics, natural language, NLP, and the computer vision, the image processing. It plays a professional role to making AI technology essential to applicable to the real world problem. Okay, the next one is the scalability. The scalability is nothing but is if time taking to solve a problem or time taking to search a problem solution on the optimal way. Okay, so the AI technical continues to evaluate. Scalability become the critical concern. The problem reduction enabled AI system to scale efficiently. Okay, by handling the larger or more problem solving techniques in the artificial intelligence machines. Okay, so the next one is human like reasoning. Okay, human or like reasoning. Okay, if it is means just if it is a real world, then what are the works that are going to be done by the human. Okay, the artificial intelligence machines also it will be done instead of that replacement of that human. Okay, the next one is reducing computational exploration. It is that the computational nature can be quickly lead to an exponential increase in the possible solution. Okay, here the artificial intelligence machines will produce the optimal solution for the each and every complex problem. Okay, in that way, okay, so problem reduction is going to be help to produce the migrate all the solution possible solution to the given problems. Okay, so the next one is interdisciplinary applications. Okay, just not only that particular field, the AI approaches will use to the various domains in the like education or some technological sectors, etc. Okay, so these are some certain usages, some certain concepts. So why we are going to use the problem reduction in the artificial intelligence of machines. Okay, the next one is the problem reduction technique. Okay, here also just we are going to use some techniques like a algorithm to solve a problem. Okay, so to solve a problem means just we are going to break down the problem into the n number of sub problems. Okay, so first one is it is going to be divided into the various stages. Okay, like dividend conquer, the hierarchical approaches, the heuristic search. Okay, just everyone knows that what is the dividend conquer method is like a matching concepts. Okay, if you're having an entire entire problem that going to be divided into n number sub problems that going to be individually going to be solved, that then finally we are going to merge all the solutions going to be put into one block. Okay, there is a dividend conquer method. Then hierarchical approaches, just from top to approaches we are going to use to solve a given problem. The heuristic says just the best problem, just we are best solution, the best optimal solution going to be provided using some heuristic function concepts. Okay, the next one is various types of problem space. Okay, here there's a problem space one is a problem reduction. Okay, there are several types of the problem space is state space. Okay, so state space means there's a here the space A, here is space B, here is the space C. So this going to be using one A to AA, like this here 2 sorry 1 B to BB, here 1C 1CC. So like this just we are going to use different memory spaces in the machine using the state space. Okay, the next one is a problem reduction space. Okay, here just we are going to divide into the n number of process and a number of spaces. Okay, so using the problem reduction concept and or a graph. Okay, so under graph means here also just the under graph will be used to solve a problem using the problem reductions. Okay, so just I will give you one example to solve a problem using the problem reduction in the under R graph. Okay, so for example, just I'm going to use some goals. Okay, just consider this one. Okay, here just we are going to use two approaches. Okay, one is and one is or and or. Okay, so just I'm going to give you some example for the problem detection using that and or graph. Okay, so and means just now I just consider here write a book. Okay, so for this just we need pen, book, then write. So here just we are going to tell that relationship between the all the details. Okay, here if you want to write a book means just you need. Okay, so without these three components you can't write a one book, right? So what is the relation? Just each and every components we have a dependency. Okay, relation. Okay, if you have if you want to write a book, you need the pen, and using that pen you have to write the book. On the book you have to write something. Okay, so this one is here and graph in problem reductions. Okay, the next one is R. Okay, so the best example is log a phone. Okay, so here just I am going to use various method to lock a phone. Okay, first one is finger, face, number, eye, etc. Okay, just if you want to lock your phone, just I'm going to use the fingerprint. Okay, finger facial recognition, the number, the pin. Okay, here just I'm going to use some pin. Okay, then eye recognition. Okay, etc. There's a various method. We can use any one method, any one concept to lock our phone, right? So this one is a R craft. Okay, if you are using that problem detection, just you are going to divide into so many sub problems. Okay, so if you are in the undergraph, R graph, ungraph, just you are going to compulsory you have to use all the components. In R graph, just you are going to use any one components to do some particular problem solving. So I hope everyone will understood this one, these concepts. Okay, just we having any comments, just please post on the comment, just I will clarify. And then this one is I have used for some textbook to some prepare for this one, and some reference books. Then some websites are given for the betterment of understanding all the concepts in artificial intelligence. So we will meet on new concept by the next video. Thank you.
Like, share and subscribe. Hit the bell icon for more updates.